It's now time to start building our portfolio page. Let's navigate to the portfolio page under our site manager. The page is empty as you can see. Now let's come back to the about page and copy the layer 2 at the top of the page. Using Ctrl+C, copy it, come back to the portfolio page and using Ctrl+V, paste it. Move it to hit the edges of the rulers. Let's go ahead and copy the photo gallery object from the about page. Click on this, using Ctrl+C, copy it, come back to your portfolio page. Using Ctrl+V, paste it here. Move it to hit the edge of the top layer and move it 6 pixels away from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's copy it and paste it here. Let's do it 2 more times. Now let's select all the images. Using the Shift key, click on this, this, and this. Now let's go to the Arrange. Under Arrange, let's go to Distribute and hit on Horizontally Distribute. This should give equal spacing between them. Let's go ahead and select all these images. Paste it down here. Moving it 6 pixels away from the top one. And pasting it 1 more time. It's now time to change the actual images. These are not the images we would want to be using in our portfolio page. To do so, simply double click on the object and where you have images, hit on Edit. Now let's select the image we'll be using. For the first one, I'm going to use this image. Click on Open, OK. Now we have our images here. Let's highlight all the images and move it to the center of the page using Ctrl+A. Clicking on any of the objects, holding on the left click and move it a little bit away from the left hand side, making sure it is rightly in the center by the help of the guide we had in the middle. Now it's in the center. Let's go ahead and preview our page, hitting on F5. This is how our portfolio page looks like. Let's go ahead and hit on any of the images to see how it's going to look like. So as you can see, it's opened in a light box. Let me close this. And it looks like our master page objects are missing. Let's go back and fix that. Right click on an empty space on the portfolio page. Select Page Properties and come to Miscellaneous. Let's select our master page. Hit on OK. Let's go back and load it again. So my master page objects are showing now. I may have to go back and fix this on the menu object as well. Come to the Site Manager, select your master page, double click on the navigation items and change Portfolio to the Portfolio page and change the Services to the Service page. Hit on OK. And let's come back to the portfolio page, preview and make sure everything is in order. It loads perfectly well. Let's now continue building the other pages.